Here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin is up 1.34%, Ethereum is up 1.31%, BNB essentially flatlined out, suggestively being a little bit on the green side though. But overall, the market looking really good for the day inside of crypto. Some other noteworthy crypto moves are Atom. It is up. Let's go ahead and try and zoom in on that here. Bit of a hard one to try and get, is up 6.2%. We also have Solana's up 5.19%. We can see Chainlink is up 8.53%. And DORA, I did talk about this one in the past, is up 724.34%. Wow. Absolutely massive gains over there. We also see CAS is up 7.81%. Moving over to the trading charts for Bitcoin, we can see that it is making a nice little climb here dating back from September 11th. There was a bit of a drop that took place that day. The next day started to make a little bit of a rally going on. Do keep in mind that we are still in that formation of a death cross. So there is some concerns there. Good news is that on the day, we actually saw a break above that line. There's been, since then, some pullback, volume increase as compared to over on the weekend, which is pretty typical to see, especially given the uncertainty in the market right now. When a new week gets started, there's the possibility of some volume increase moves. So ideally, we'd like to see this close above the 50 moving average. Right now, we're closer to it. As the next day does get started, that line is expected to have a further decline, which would suggest that we're even closer to the point where on the daily, we could try and pass above it. And then ideally trying to pass above the 200 moving average. Both of those could be very bullish indicators. As it is right now, it's still down below, and we're not out of the woods yet. Moving over to Ethereum. Ethereum had fallen through back on September 11th, breaking down below that key level support line that I have already had drawn up for you guys, and I've talked about it in my previous videos. And then there was a bit of a climb back up, managed to get above the line, down below. Now it's basically resting right on that line. So this is still a pretty good reference point. For tomorrow, if it fell back to this line, we would be sitting right around the same price level at 1637. And every day that goes by, that price would actually start to climb. So there's concerns that this is going to fall through. We do have that death cross formation on Ethereum as well. So from a general technical standpoint, it is still suggestive that we would be heading into a bear market. But it is not typical when you have these death crosses that you see an immediate reaction to it. It's normally a bit of a delayed response, and it's more of a longer term indicator anyways. Then we take a look over at BNB. BNB did bounce off that level support line September 11th. Its climb up as well. Got really close to tapping that 50 moving average, but not quite there. So it's at $216, still above $200, which is nice, but we want to see it get above that 50 moving average, break above this top trend line, and head towards that 200 moving average closer to the $300 price point. That would be great. SafeMoon on the Binance Smart Chain is down 0.8% today, $10,000 in buy volume versus $17,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon on the Ethereum side, no percentage change. There's one buy order. It was for $283. SafeMoon on Polygon is up 2.05% with $142 in buy volume versus $110 in sell volume. And Blockbuster Tech, this one is up 4.82%, $4,700 in buy volume, $1,900 in sell volume. Let me know in the comments down below, I just thought of this, if there's any other specific crypto that you guys would like to see me include in these daily reports. If I see enough responses from people, or if you guys know I've done video coverage on other tokens in the past and you mentioned something like that, I could very well add it to this list. So be really appreciated if you guys give me some feedback. Let me know what would you like me to have included in these reports. So I try to do these on the daily. It really depends on what else is going on in the news. And if there's much changes or not, those things also come into some consideration as well. Let me know what you guys think of everything going on right now. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.